Namaste guys, welcome to iTech Hoop. Today I'll be flashing a new ROM which is DU ROM, also known as Dirty Unicorn ROM, which is based on Android 6.0.1 Marshmallow, and I'll be flashing it on my OnePlus One. This ROM is unique and it's known for its feature-rich UI. It has many modules pre-installed from Exposit, and it has a huge developers network. So let's get started. First we need to go to TWRP 2.8.6.0 is the recommended version as usual. Let's go to wipe. Let's select advanced wipe, and here you need to select Dalvik cache, system, data and cache. Do not click your internal storage, otherwise it will wipe out all your data including your ROM files. So yeah, these are the files you need to wipe currently. I'll just swipe to wipe. So it shows wipe successful. Let's go back again, let's go back again, let's go back, and now let's install the fresh new ROM. I have saved my files into the DU folder, which is Dirty Unicorn folder, which I have made it. Here are the files. I'll also show you how to flash Viber for Marshmallow. Viber for Marshmallow is actually used for tweaking your audio. So here we go. First, flash the ROM file. The DU ROM has inbuilt many kernel tweaking functions as well, and it has a Cyanogen mod based customized camera. And here we see the flashing is almost complete. And here, as usual, do not forget to wipe your Dalvik cache. Back. Now let's again go back and let's now flash the GApps. For the GApps also, there's a dedicated Dirty Unicorn GApps. I'll be giving the links of this also in the description, so you don't need to worry about it. I'll flash it again. And the GApps are installed successfully. I'll again wipe the Dalvik cache. It's done. Let's go back, and here I'll be flashing Viper for Marshmallow, and here we go. That's successful again. Wipe Dalvik cache, and all we need to do now is reboot the system. Here the system is getting rebooted now. DU ROM or Dirty Unicorns ROM is based on AOSP. The DU ROM forum is always active and the developers are always helpful. If you have any doubts, you can anytime ask them, and they have always been in an incremental state, so they have grown from scratch to this. Huge respect for them. We'll be right back once the phone is rebooted. Here we go, the boot animation of DU. The DU developers believe to be staying dirty, and hence the name Dirty Unicorns. They bring so many new tweaks and so many features that are not yet available on other ROMs. And here we go, finally we have rebooted and the ROM is active. Let's complete the basic setup. I've connected to the Wi-Fi. So this is it guys. I'll be reviewing this ROM entirely, and I'll be back with the complete review of this ROM within next 2 days. So hope you guys like the content. Do hit like button, subscribe to our channel, share our content, and if you have any doubts regarding this, you can mention them in the comment section below. For downloading these files, the links are mentioned in the description again. So keep watching. Thanks. Hope.